Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties, and if you're new here, thank you so much for joining me today, and let's get right into it. So first, we are making Memorial Day skewers, and it's only two simple ingredients. It is organic watermelon and organic blueberries. And pro tip, if you want to know if your watermelon's ripe, juicy, you just go and you knock. And if it's hollow like that, you know, and also if there's a yellow spot. And, yep. So, all you need is to get your star cutter, a slice of watermelon, and then you cut it like this. And look at how perfect that is. And then you get your skewer, put it in, and you need approximately 13 to 15 blueberries, and then you get them on, and they look so cool once it's done. And yeah, and we have Memorial Day so we can honor those who have fought and died in any war. And I'm having a party tomorrow, and I'm bringing these with my grandparents. They will love these. They love fruit. And then, here is it. And here it is. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And make these guys, they're the best. Bye.